Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen. I hope you are having a sublime day. I don't know about you guys, but I am always looking for dishes that can do double duty. So what we're making today is the perfect snack. It's a perfect appetizer, and it is a perfect side dish. We're making deviled eggs. Let's go take a look at the ingredients. Have you guys noticed at the holidays that there never seem to be enough deviled eggs? They go so quickly because everyone loves them. The beauty is they are so simple and quick to make that we really don't have to wait until the holidays. The ingredients for the basic deviled eggs are eggs, of course. We need a little bit of mayo, we need some Dijon mustard, we need some pickle juice, and we need some paprika. That's the ingredient for your basic deviled egg. Now, once you get your basic deviled egg done, you can add lots of different variations to it. I'll typically add some smoked clams to some. I'll add some chives to some. I will add some walnuts to some. So these are great toppers for deviled eggs, but the basic deviled egg is fabulous by itself. Let's get started making it. The first thing you want to do is put your water on and bring it to a boil. Once your water is boiling, you want to add your eggs to the boiling water with a slotted spoon. Once you put the eggs in the boiling water, you want to cook them for 13 minutes. That will get you a nice hard-boiled egg. You also want to put a little bit of salt in your water because that will help the shells come off and stop your eggs from cracking and peeling when you're taking the shells off. In addition, you want to prepare an ice bath because that will also help the shells come off in one piece and prevent the eggs from breaking and cracking up when you're peeling them. So salt in the water and an ice bath while the eggs are cooking. Once your eggs have cooked for 13 minutes, you want to take them out of the water and submerge them in an ice bath. The ice bath will stop them from cooking. In addition to helping you peel the eggs easier, putting your eggs in an ice bath will also prevent that green tinge that you sometimes see on boiled eggs. That's because the eggs have continued to cook after you've taken them out of the water. So putting them in this ice bath will prevent that. Once you've removed your egg yolks, you want to take a fork and just give them a rough chop. You want them nice and crumbly. Once your egg yolks are crumbly and at the right consistency, you want to add some salt to this mixture. Then you want to add about a tablespoon of your mayo. You're probably going to need 2 tablespoons, but I always like to just start with 1 because you can't remove it. You can always add, but you can't remove. Then you want to add about a teaspoonful of Dijon mustard, and make sure it's Dijon because that's going to give you a little bit of extra kick. I also like stone ground mustard, but definitely either Dijon or stone ground. Last thing you want to do is you want to add just a little bit of pickle juice. I'm probably adding just about 1 teaspoon full of the pickle juice to this. You've got the perfect snack or an amazing starter. Beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed the recipe for my deviled eggs. If you did, hit the subscribe button so that you never miss another one of my videos. Until we meet again, think sublime thoughts.